Welcome to Karbi YouTube channel. Today I have coming with a new video. So let's watch the video. Each morning, adap kate anglo. Who is there? Komadlo hala dakedo. How to for? Koson lo kidupo. How to throw? Koson lo kewarpo. Don't be late. Panglenri. Sarmen is going to whom? Sarmen hem kache damlo. I have to walk. Ne sai klem nangji. I don't do anything. Ne thang ta klem kle. What is your problem? Kopilo nang kasik sake. How dare you? Koson si nang ke hailo. Why are you silent? Kopi chong hoi si nang do joilo. I am feeling cold. Ning samjirolo. Don't say anything. Thang ta ningjeri. I am with you. Ne nang long si dolo. Do not abuse me. Ne phanang chenegri. I don't know. Ne chini ne. Come with me. Nilong wang non. Talk to me. Ne phanang chingki non. When will you come? Nang komentu lo ke bang po. Listen properly. Arjupa menon. Show me again. Nang paklang thutha. It is easy to say. Kaningje ke joy ke. I like fruit. Ne thesere ning hang o. What do you like to do? Nang kopi ke klem si ning ke hang lo. A rainbow has 7 colors. Muka kalil sontroksi do. muka Khalil Sontrok Sido. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, comment and share.